all day long.
Yeah, a lot of times.
Aren't you scared?
Oh my goodness.
They're,
Are they getting mad?
I don't think so.
They're not?
Nope.
You sure?
Yeah, I guess they're not interested in fighting. They're only interested in protecting the queen.
Yeah, but look at you.
If you would do it, they would
You're
fight
nuts,
you.
Ed.
Probably.
Did you think you're the queen?
Oh my.
Oh my God. Back up from this box.
My.
Jenny. Look at
See
you.
how they're harmless actually, you know?
Really?
Oh, look, they go in there.
People
Look.
right away.
And so they're looking for a new
trying
home
to,
just
yeah.
by...
See how they're interested in this now?
Yes,
See
yes.
the noise that they're making?
Yes.
They're all coming in one after the other. I don't know if
Listen to that sound.
I'll
That's
have a chance
unbelievable.
to show you the queen, but
Trying to find the queen to look at.
There he is. He's going in there, or not? No, there was one with
No.
bigger wings.
yeah. They keep her quite covered up always.
They're doing their job.
Yeah. Sometimes she is okay, then she's not.
Now, would she have crawled in by herself? Today that you were
Yes.
having your company. I can't believe how many there are. You taping too?
Yeah.
Are you?